Everyone, it's me again. This time I will explain Laboratory 7, K-means clustering.
In Cell 1, import libraries and load dataset. Imports necessary libraries for clustering, preprocessing, and visualization. Loads dataset with 150 examples and 4 features. True labels are stored but not used for clustering. In Cell 2, standardize and cluster. Standardizes the data to normalized feature scales. Apply k-means to group the data into 3 clusters. Store the cluster labels and cluster centers. In cell 3, PCA for dimensionality reduction. Uses PCA to project high-dimensional data into 2D. Both the data points and cluster centers are transformed. This step is crucial for visualizing cluster clearly. In cell 4, visualize cluster and centroids. Creates a 2D scatter plot of cluster data points. Cluster centroids are shown as red X's. This visualizes how well the K-means algorithm grouped the data.
And that's all for the Laboratory 7. Thank you for watching.